Sanibonani guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button. It is for your own sake, I swear. Like honestly, I mean, like I mentioned in my previous video, it's complicated. I mean, imagine if you're hearing this name for the first time and then you click on my video, okay, you like this girl, blah blah blah, and then next thing you have not subscribed. Now you're trying to look for me. Who's this girl? So, like I mentioned in the previous video, for your own convenience, just subscribe. It's really not about me. Trust me, it is not about me, but for your own benefit. So anyway, today is a Sunday. I've got a couple of things to do. Yesterday I didn't really do much. Yeah, I basically rested. Guys, it is so important to rest. There's a video.
Rest before way to rest.
Guys, it's very important to rest. So yeah, I rested yesterday, and then yeah, today I'll get a bit busy, but of course I'll take you along. So yeah, yesterday, okay, let me tell you what I've got planned today. Okay, before we get into it, there's this that I want to show you guys. So I bought this on Friday at Eastgate when I knocked off. And then yeah, I'll show you. I hope I'll be able to open it because wow, I've actually kept it till today to open in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Yeah, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna bath. I'm not gonna take you along there. I'm gonna bath and leave the house to go to Fosleris. So I went there. I took my pants there for alterations. They were a bit long, so I'm going to collect that. I'm thinking of going to the mall. Yesterday was my niece, ne? Yeah, it was my niece's birthday. So I'm gonna see if I can find something for her and then deliver it to her and then collect my pants and then cook when I come back. Yeah, sounds interesting, right? So yeah, I'll take you along with me. You know this thing, having a teaspoon in the cup irritates my brother so much. I remember this one time, we're drinking tea in the house. And then he sees my mom and I doing this. He's like, guys, Lentinians is very dangerous. Well, you know what's spoon and we're just like, really? Mom is like, but I've been drinking tea for so many years. Why has that never happened? So yeah, the dummy dislikes this. So guys, yes, like I mentioned, I will be unboxing this diffuser. I bought this in Eastgate, next to Krispy Kreme. Yeah, the store is next to Krispy Kreme. I think it's called JJ Cafe. Yeah, it's next. Yeah, that's definitely it. It's opposite Cotton On. So I bought this diffuser because it was on special. That's one. And secondly, because I needed a diffuser. I'm a diffuser girl, guys. I love the scent of whatever that's not bad, if that makes sense. I need a floral scent in the house, meaning like some flowers. I need a bleach scent, you know, that bleach scent when you walk into a house and it smells clean. Yeah, or perfume. I just need to smell something nice, you know. So yes, oh sorry, this is the box it comes in. It's got some nice velvet feel in here, and then of course it comes with these sticks. But you know, there's the what brand is this? There's these particular ones that I like. They are black and it has a velvet feel, you know. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then actually I haven't unboxed these, guys. I have not unboxed it. I was waiting for this perfect moment. I didn't even get to smell this, but I'm going to velvet and I'm like, oh, it should smell good. So this is the diffuser. I hope it smells nice, guys. Hey, and unfortunately I'm using my front camera, so you won't really be able to see the actual words, but it says Mille Fiori Via Brera. This is probably Italian because wow, it cannot be English. So I hope this smells good. I really do. I really do. Also, there was no testers there, so I just saw the word velvet and I'm just like, this should smell velvety. Not bad. I don't even know how to explain it, but normally these things specify, I would see what ingredients are on it. But I can smell, I don't even know how to explain it, but there's a bit of sweetness in it. Oh, but it smells good. It smells really good. Okay, let me see if I can't find something that specifies the notes. All I can see is fragrance diffuser warnings, and they say it may cause an allergic skin reaction. Causes skin irritation, causes eye irritation, toxic to life with a long highly flammable liquid and vapor. Okay, but I think all of them say this because wow. But guys, I can't see my ingredients, the notes. All I can see is velvet. Okay guys, I don't know how I'm gonna explain this, but it smells good. It smells sweet. Or maybe come to my house, okay? I think that's a better solution. Come to my house, but it smells nice. This was on special for 230. Yeah, it was 230. So yes guys, that is what I wanted to show you. I'll probably add the black sticks that I'm talking about from Perfume Garden. Yeah, it's definitely Perfume Garden. So they sell diffusers like which smell really good, like really good. So well, let me just put these, let me just put these. Smells good. So guys, these are the sticks I was talking about. They might look different because I'm outside. Yeah, but these are the sticks. Oh, my nails. Way. These are the sticks, guys, I was talking about. Do you see how beautiful these are? Also, they're quite thick. These are very nice. So guys, I have bathed, ready to bounce. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna look for a gift for my niece because yesterday was her birthday, but unfortunately I couldn't go, guys. But today is still another day, so yes, I'm gonna go look for a gift, and then maybe I think I also need some hangers. You know, there's these particular hangers, thank you my love, that I bought. I just don't remember where I bought them, but I think it's between Pep and what? Actually, Pep is the only place I could think of right now. So I'm gonna go to Pep to look for these hangers and have some oysters. So come with me. So my partner always says Yana doesn't want to appear in my videos. I don't know why. I'm not sure if I respect that. I'm not sure. But he's taking forever, guys. Somewhere. He's literally always the last to leave the house. I don't know why. And normally it's the woman that's always the last to leave the house. Guys, you'll wait for him in the car. Like nizomel, like you'll wait. Actually, let me go see what he's doing. Let's see, guys. Come with me. Job. So we are back from the mall. I tried to look for a couple of things to get my niece, but there just wasn't a lot of things that I could choose from. So I'll try to look sometime during the week. So I'll go to her maybe on Friday or Saturday. And then what I also did manage to get were these hangers. Yes, so it definitely was from Pep. I like these a lot. And these are 34.99. So yeah, I am about to start cooking now. So come with me. you.